Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I just wanted to talk about Exitus Elite. I wanted to tell you that this opportunity is amazing and it can be life-changing because the highest you can make in this business is $1,000 and a $2,000 commission. Those are life-changing uh, commissions. And this particular one was a $500 commission I made a couple of weeks ago to my Cash App. And I can't tell you, every time I receive a commission from Exitus Elite, I'm smiling. I really am because it's Exitus Elite has changed my life in a lot of ways. It's given me extra really good income on the side that I never would have had. I am working on paying off the rest of my debt, and Exitus Elite has been helping me with that. And I've been doing affiliate marketing a long time. I have seen businesses come and go. I have seen so many fail because of the stupid owners of the companies. And Exitus Elite still has the same owner. It's been running since 2014 and it's still getting major updates to this very day. If you want a high quality opportunity that you do not have to fear will not be here 10 years from now, Exitus Elite is the one. I came in on in January of 2022. I came in at the G1000. That's one of the highest uh, products in this business, and I made all kinds of commissions over the years. Here's some that I've made. This is $1,000 commission. That's when you get commissions like that, you're really gonna smile because imagine getting four of those a week. Like you get one of those every week. That's $4,000 a month. That's what's possible with this business. Uh, Here is, oops, let me get out of that. Here's another example of a $250 commission I made at one point. And that's why I love this business. So we're going to come to the page here. So Exitus Elite has 5 product levels. I came in here at the G1000. Now, since Exitus Elite first came about, most people came in at the G1000. There was a 90% ratio of people coming at the G1000 than any product level. And it makes sense. Those who are really serious about Exitus Elite and want to make as much money as possible, they came in at the G1000. Now, when Exitus Elite first started, the G1000 was the only product in Exitus Elite. All of these lower levels came later. And that's why the owner, Paul Stevenson, is so great, because he's always designing things to help us affiliates make as much money as possible. So I'd say if you're going to come in at the G1000 or G2000. Now, I'm not saying that because I want to make commissions. That may be part of it, but I really want to see people positioned in a way where they're going to excel and make as much money as possible in this business. Because I've been in businesses where it's only um, like $30 or $50 or $100 commissions. But with Exitus Elite, you do not have to bring in hundreds and hundreds of people in order to make life-changing income in this business. So that's why I always say come in as high as you could, go all in as high as you could possibly go in. Because when you come in at one of these higher levels, from the G250 all the way up to the G2000, all these lower all these lower products unlocked for you at no extra cost. So you can start making commissions off of all of these commissions. I mean, of these products. So the main way you make money in Exitus is through when you make a sale, you make your commission. Another way is let's say you came in here at the G5 1,000. Oh, sorry, I always get that screwed up. If you come in here at the G100, but you make a G1000 sale, what's going to happen? Well, you're qualified at this level, so you're going to make your $100 commission. But the remaining 900 of that commission that's left over is going to get passed up to me up here because I'm qualified at the G1000. Now, let's say you made a G2000 sale. What's going to happen is $1,900 is going to get passed up to the person up here. So you always make the highest amount you can at each level. So you're always going to make your $100, but whatever's left over is going to get passed up to the people that are qualified. So that's the second way you get paid in Exitus. Now the third way is in Exitus, every product level has admin fees. So when I came in at the G1000, I paid $299 for the admin fee, and then I paid my sponsor his commission. So that's how we get paid. We get paid person to person. So let's say I want to upgrade to the G2000, which is going to happen. I'm going to minus $299 off the admin fee and $1,000 off of the 2000. So instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only coming in at $1,100. So that's how we get paid in Exitus. And all the major changes that Paul Stevenson has been making to this business are amazing. This is our new, fully redesigned back office. Your command center. The moment you join, you get full access to a professionally built member back office designed to run your entire business from one place. This is not a basic dashboard. It is a complete operating system built for serious business owners. Track your sales, manage your leads, access your training library, monitor your team, confirm payments, and run your marketing, all from one clean, powerful interface. Everything you need is already built and waiting for you. Live sales dashboard, team management, lead capture pages. We have really good lead capture pages. This is an example of one of them right here. And then, we got our Genesis training library. Those are the products that you purchase. So we have training built in as well. Payment tracking, built-in autoresponder, and this is actually a very good default autoresponder. They are professionally written by Paul Stevenson himself, who has many, many years experience in this field. Contact CRM, so you get all your contacts back there, so you have access to their information, their email, their phone number. Pretty soon we're going to add a new feature where you can actually text your leads. I mean, that's amazing. Where to get leads, we do have options in the back office if you want to use them. There are different tools and softwares that we have in the back office to help you make leads and sales as well. So that's how you get paid in Exitus. Now, this new thing right here, Email Pro Suite, this is basically a full autoresponder that is just as good as GetResponse or what's the other one called? Aweber. Paul Stevenson is letting you have your own autoresponder. Now you can make autoresponders with a monthly payment of $29, and you can use those autoresponders for any business that you're using. You can you can broadcast to anybody on your list, um, and you can actually use our lead capture pages that we have in Exodus Elite for any other business. So you can start building a list even within Exodus Elite. So you can promote Exodus Elite and all your other businesses all from one place. I don't know about you. I have never seen opportunity where there is this much love put into it. I've seen many opportunities, and they're like really lame compared to Exodus Elite. This is the most high tech business I've ever been in, and I absolutely love it. I love Exodus Elite. I mean, this is my YouTube channel. If I didn't believe in Exodus Elite, I wouldn't have paid the all the money I did to get this started. I mean, these are mostly all Exodus Elite videos I have here from over the years. I mean, some of these are commissions I made. I mean, I love Exodus Elite, and if you want a business that will change your life, Exodus Elite is the one. So all I have to say is I love this business. Now, we also have in Exodus Elite a call center. So what's going to happen is, I'm using the main page here. People are going to come through your lead capture page, watch this video, and if you have it turned on, there will be a phone number down here where you can call if you have questions. So you call that number and you'll get the sales team. If they close a sale for you, you get an 80% commission. Now, of course, if you close the sale yourself, you get 100% of the commission. Now, that's pretty good. Originally, Paul Stevenson was going to make the call center a 50-50 split. So you get 50%, they get 50%. So what's going to happen is, let's say somebody comes through my system, calls the number because they want more questions. If the call center closes that sale, I get $800 of that commission, and $200 goes to the person who did all the work. So I get $800 from a G1000 sale for doing no work whatsoever. Paul Stevenson loves the affiliates. He does. He is designing this whole opportunity to help us get more leads, more sales, and more conversions in our business. This is why I loved Exodus Elite and why I will never join another business ever. Because Exodus Elite has everything I possibly need to find success and make life-changing income. And I have no doubt that Exodus Elite is turning 12 years old. 10 years from now, I can still see Exodus Elite still being here. I really can. And this, I mean, even support in Exodus Elite is so amazing. I've had a couple of issues where something wasn't working right, and I contacted support, and they fixed my issue within hours. I mean, they're very fast, they're very good, and nothing about this business is cheap. Now, of course, there is a premium price for this business, but you make $2,000 instant commissions in this business. That's the highest you can make in this business. So there is going to be a premium price tag. Now, what you get from your purchases right here at the G100, you get 17 training courses. At the G250, you get 10 courses. At the G500, you get 13 courses. At the G1000, you get 25 courses. At the G2000, you get 31 courses. If you come in here at the G1000, all these are going to unlock for you at no extra cost. including all those training products. If you come in here at the G2000, all these are going to unlock for you at no extra cost. This is where the money is being made in this business. Now, obviously, if you can't, you can't. I understand that. But I'm telling you, the G1000 and the G2000 are the sweet spots in this business. So, no matter where you come in at, go as high as you possibly can, because you don't want to lose any money. You don't want to. You want to make as much money as you possibly can in your business. And I always go in all in my businesses, or as at least close as all in as I can. Now, eventually, I will be joining the G2000 as well, and then I will be coming full circle with the business that I love so much. So, if any of you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. If you want to contact me, all my contact information is in the description below as well. I have flashed my contact information even in this video because I want you to call me. If you don't, or if you can't, call the call center on my website when you come in. Either way, I want to see all of you succeed. I'm not just saying all these things because I want to make money. I do want to make money, obviously. You would want to make money as well. But you want your team to make money too. And I care about my leads, and I care about the people that come into my business. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so that way you'll get notified when I upload new content, and hit the notification bell. So all my contact information is below, and the link to join Exitus Elite. I hope to see you all there soon. Bye.